Hello and welcome to this video. We are going to solve the exercise, bypassing flawed input filters for server-side prototype pollution. In the video description you will find a link to a write-up. The write-up contains more detailed descriptions. So if you have any questions, just have a look in the write-up. After starting the exercise, the shop should look similar to the one in the video. First we log into the store with our credentials Wiener and Peter. To do this, we click on the My Account link and fill out the registration form. After successful registration, we have access to our billing and delivery address. Here we change the content of the Line 1 text field from Vienna HQ to Hacker and Victim Incorporated. Click on the Submit button to send the form. In the next step, we switch to the burp proxy and open the HTTP history there. In the HTTP history, we search for the request post/myaccount/change address. We see that when the form is sent, the data from the fields is sent to the server as JSON. The server responds with a JSON object, which represents our user. We send this request to the burp repeater. We use the key combination Ctrl+R. In repeater, we add a new property to the JSON called proto, which contains an object with a JSON spaces property. After sending, we switch to the response section on the raw tab and see that the indentation within the JSON has not been changed and our proto property does not appear anywhere. Our attempt at prototype pollution was therefore unsuccessful. Now let's switch back to our request and try a prototype pollution via the constructor property. After the request has been sent, we switch to the Raw tab in the Response section. There we see that the JSON indentation is now larger, depending on the value we have specified for the inserted property. This shows that we have successfully contaminated the prototype. If we look at the other properties in the response, an interesting property immediately catches our eye, namely the property isAdmin_false. We want to use this property as a gadget, because as an admin, we should be able to delete the user Carlos. So let's add the property isAdmin_true to our JSON. If we now reload our page in the browser, we will now see the admin panel link. If we select this link, we get to the user administration, where we can delete the user Carlos.